morning and hello, I'm Professor Code. This is the Forex Supermodel Racing Review and Forex Briefing for Sunday the 12th of November 2023. Yesterday we're still on a pause on the racing. We're looking at it over the weekend and we'll probably still be pausing early this week. But we'll keep you posted on that, so we haven't forgotten about the racing. It's just we need to get our act together on it. So and on the day trading, so we're going to swing towards more analysis on the day trading, what we've learned and all the rest of it, to give you sort of an overall approach. We're thinking of doing some videos, day trading with Professor Code, which will be sort of a screen version of, let us know what you think in the comments. Anyway, so what do we know so far about the day trading process? Well, you've hooked up your watch lists. We've got a video on that, so your watch lists are in terms of operational, what's the other word, strategic and tactical, and so basically you're looking at last week, this week and next week, and looking at the information there, and you're rating the information very loosely in terms of neutral, soft and hard on the majors. So that's that. You've got the economic calendar, which we just said, and we've got the watch lists there. So you've set up your watch lists so that you can take advantage of it. We then started talking about the dollar index, and we're looking at the dollar index in terms of being our focus to then branch out into the majors in terms of currency trading. And we're looking at the dollar index in terms of drivers and flows, and interconnecting this with the asset classes, Forex, bonds, commodities, and equities effectively. So and then you've got the transmissions, and then you've got volatility. So if you're looking at volatility, how is the market behaving? Is it trading in 5s, 10s, 20s, 40s, 50s, whatever, and how spiky is it, and how unpleasant does it look to the eye? So that's the volatility. And now we're going to start looking at price action structure, time frames on daily, 4 hour, 1 hour, 10 minutes, and this is really starting to get into the meat of how we're going to trade. So we've gone high tech. We've got the coloured chalk out. So if you're looking at the dollar index, then so US dollar index. Now, if the so where are we? Let's just now our charting package, green for up, red for down. I've never seen a charting package without red for down, but you can get blue for up sometimes. But anyway, ours is green for up. So normally a standard garden variety top looks like this. It's a green up candle with a tail, upwards tail. Now that's the, as I said, and a normal, so that's a top. Now a floor tends to look like that, with a red. So it's a red candle with a red tail. Now that's just basics, right? So most people are aware of that. But where it becomes interesting is when you start getting the alternatives to this. So if you're looking at say the dollar index on a 10-minute, and it's dirging down. So it's dirging down. Now let's suppose there's a red candle there at the top. These are red candles. And these are red candle floors. If you've got that sort of situation, you've got a false top. You've got false. These are false tops, and what the market basically wants to go up, but it's being forced down. And so you're getting some compression or extension in the market, and in order to trade Forex successfully, you need to recognize this extension or contraction in the market, or compression in the Forex complexes, because that's what provides the twang for you to trade, and that provides the impetus for you to trade. So the best way to think of a proper top is, as we said, is this green style candle, and that's basically, just think of it as that you've run out of buyers. So you've run out of any more, no one else wants to buy it, so it can't go up anymore, and the buyers that bought in very late have bottled it and sold and chopped out. So that's where that, and if a floor, you've run out of sellers, the market, nobody else wants to sell it at that price. So now in this case, you've got tops that are red. We haven't run out of buyers, but we've got selling tops. Now these, and you've also got proper floors. You've got a floor there, and you've got a floor there. Now, if the market is in theory should be going up, but it's going down. So it's creating some tension in the market. It's either creating compression or extension. And why does that happen? It happens basically because in the short term, the data or the data noise usually is overwhelming what the market wants to do. So for example, if it was euro dollar and the euro dollar was dropping, then you'd be getting, and the euro dollar wants to come up in this scenario, but you're getting like fairly weak euro data coming out, and the market players are still ignoring this situation and forcing it down. So that's this sort of situation is what you're looking for there, and you're going to get a significant reversal in whatever you're looking at. So in this case it was a dollar index. So the likelihood is once you've got a proper floor and you've recognised a proper floor, then you're going to be at the races going up. Now we can reverse that out with the market going up. So you've got green top candles, and you've got green floors, which means that they're false tops and false floors there, and you're likely to see a situation where the market's going to heavily reverse. So it's basically the opposite of that. We can talk a little bit more than that. I'm aware we need to shorten up the video, but that's where we are there. So that's food for thought. Have a look at some charts, particularly on the 10 minutes initially, and then and have a look for these sort of scenarios where the market's going down but you're getting red tops, and the market's going up where you're getting green tops, and then look for the reversal. Now this is where the time frames comes in, because we're looking at 10 minutes on here at the moment, but you need to phase this into the other time frames to get a consistent approach. So we'll talk about that maybe tomorrow or another day. So anyway, hope that's been useful. Let us know in the comments if that's sort of floating your boat, and we'll talk about so get our act together on the racing. We've got the all-weather season firing away now, so there's plenty to play for, and we're aware that we're in the sort of pause phase on that. So anyway, thanks for watching, hope it was useful again, and goodbye.